In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the electric lift gate on the Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 model. So this is the lift gate kit that I will be installing. It comes with a manual specific to the model. It's a 2013 to 2016 Hyundai IX45 or the Santa Fe. It has two powered struts, its wiring harness, the power latch, brackets, firings, adhesive, and the control module. This is the inner switch for the power tailgate. Let's start with this cable. So this is the power cable. This goes from the fuse box on the driver's side, going up to the A pillar, B pillar, and C pillar, and up to the tailgate. So we will be routing through this grommet here down to this part of the tailgate. To take off the trim panel, there are 4 screws, one on each corner, and there are 2 more hidden inside the door handle. So take off the cover and you will find the screws inside. Same with the top, it's held on by plastic clips. This side comes off first, then the sides. So I have pulled the power cable through the headliner, the pillars, and down to the driver's side fuse box. And the kit also already includes this fuse stop. So I just removed the 30 amp fuse already in that place and added the fuse stop, and I have terminated the end. And there is also another wire that goes with the power, which senses the unlock signal from the remote, and that has been tapped into this connector right here using a fuse stop. Next, we install the power latch. So it involves removing this tray, this trim panel, and also the side panel. I have already pulled through the power cable, signal cable for this. The tray is held on by 3 screws covered with this. So we just pop them off and the screws are revealed inside. After taking off the tray, you can take off the cover for this latch right here by prying on this side slots and pulling on the trim panel. So it's only held on by plastic clips. And we take off the latch using a T40 Torx head. So after removing our our stock latch, take a towel and wipe the area clean, and using the same hardware we're going to reinstall the new latch. To remove the side trim panel, we unscrew this screw and another one right here, which is hidden on this clips for the net. So pop this cover off, and there is the screw. So next up are the struts. So this is the one for the right side, the left side, and their corresponding brackets, as well as the hardware. Now to remove the struts, use a flathead screwdriver to pry this off. This is the retainer. Same with this side. Pry this off and you'll be able to pull the struts. Make sure that someone is holding the tailgate for you so you don't drop it accidentally. Next, we're going to install this adapter. So this one connects here, which is the power for the latch. So it gets the signal from the ECU to unlock the latch, and this one feeds into the ECU right here. So now I've finished pulling all the cables through. So this is the right strut, the left strut, power cable, and the powered latch. And it's now time to test everything by connecting them to the ECU. So now I have connected everything except for the power cable. Now I'm going to connect it. So now we are going to test. This is the switch for the rear. To open. Now we install the kick sensor. So this has the wiring that I have already pulled through. This goes to the bumper, and it has 4 wires. The ground, which is already tapped to the tail light. So I chose the left tail light because this is the left-hand drive vehicle. And we have the green, which is the sense wire. Red, which is the constant 12 volt, and a accessory wire, which I chose not to connect. And the green wire we're supposed to pull through to the tailgate. So this is the wire, and we're going to tap it to this connector here. So I've finished routing the cable, and now you're supposed to tap the green cable into the brown and black stripe cable. So this one right here. So now we're going to test the sensor. I'm using a cardboard box to simulate a bumper, and I'm going to wave my hand in front of the sensor to try to activate it. Nope. There we go. Okay, so this is the blanking plate. Stays here. and it's held on by 5 screws. And this is the switch that we will be using, and it goes in this place. So we will disassemble this. It's held on by clips, 3 on each side. So this is the switch now. So we have to remove this and the blanking plate, and we'll have to reinstall it like this.